got a Disney Doorables Remember When surprise thing. Really cute. It's like a Polaroid camera. So not really sure how to open this, I guess. Oh, okay. That's, there's 4 things. Oh, I just ripped that open. Tiana! That's so cute. Okay, Tiana, it's the first one. And we've got, are they all gonna become the same movie? Stitch with a little frog on his head. That's cute. That's really cute. Then we've got Lotso. Is that his name? I think so. That's really, really adorable. And the last one, can't open it. Hello. Baby Mulan. Is that Mulan? I should have looked at this first. Oh, there's like a lot. So these are all of the things you can get. There's a lot of options. And then there's more on the back. Lady, adorable. Oh my God, that's not Mulan, it's Cusco. What? That is so funny. This is Cusco. Why did I think that was Mulan? That's really cute. I need to get more of those. Those are adorable. I've never seen these before, so